Hi, this is Josh from Shamma Sandals, and it's getting close to the 4th of July. In fact, if you're watching this message, it's probably the 4th of July. So I've never put up a flag, but I thought, you know what? It's time to do it. It's time to step up, and I'm proud to be an American. I'm proud to make the sandals here. Everyone in the workshop's pretty excited about the fact that we're hand making stuff here in the United States. I'm gonna check in with the other guys and we're gonna figure out a good spot to put this thing. So let's go. So I got this flag and I'm trying to figure out where we're gonna put it in the workshop so that we can see it and also so it doesn't get in the way.
I still think we should get a flagpole.
It does work as a flagpole.
Like a big, 50-foot one like they have at schools, just like right in the middle of the field.
That would be pretty sweet. I'll start taking contributions for that.
Shave the branches off the oak tree.
No.
We could buy
a 50-foot flagpole?
No. Well, we could do that, but we could also buy 10 more flags, and then we could put up 11 flags in a bunch of different locations. So then, we don't have to worry about where to put the one. We just put up 11.
Everywhere.
Why 11?
But we don't even have room for one.
Not 13 at least for the 13th
I
flag.
think this might be the spot. And Willie, you'll just have to learn to jump right there. Willie, think about it. You're jumping or Patriots?
How would you like it? Well, how would you like it if I put a flag just jutting out of your sewing machine, huh?
You got it, guys. You did it. Moment of truth.
Oh, beautiful, our heroes proved in.
Alright guys, so happy 4th of July from all of us at Shamma Sandals.